Alright, the point of our video here real quick is just to show how to use Chat AI to generate content and then how to use that same content to generate videos. So this is what we're going to use for the Chat AI, Chat GPT, and then for the video generation we're going to use Pictory. So let's go to the drawing board here real quick. If you want me to ever do some of this stuff for you or build out a snapshot for you, feel free to drop me a line there at highlevelguru@gmail.com or just drop by our website highlevelguru.com or call me on this number. Let's jump into the video though. I think everybody's probably familiar with Chat AI. If you're not, maybe get up to speed. Pictory is now a marketing-based video generation software. So we're going to jump into exactly what that is and how to use it. The real key here, let's just kind of slow it down. What are we trying to accomplish here? What's the point of this? So the point of this is to generate content with the AI and then to use that same AI-generated content to make a video, then generated by the AI, and then we're going to use an AI to narrate the video. So all at the same time, we're going to text caption that video. So pretty cool, pretty easy way to kind of turnkey generate marketing videos, any sort of video you might need for any of your clients or yourself. So what are the steps to make this work? Well, first off, we're going to correctly give the AI enough information about your client to output great content, hopefully on the first try. So we're going to go to the client website, we're going to skim it for a couple of details, we're going to feed that to the AI and try to get it to come up with something amazing. We're going to take that content, we're going to make a couple edits, and then we're going to copy it over to Pictory. From there, it's going to generate a video for us. And then after that video is generated, we're going to go in there and we're going to make edits to the videos. We can adjust the soundtrack and we can pick an AI voice if we want to do a voiceover. And then finally, we'll just generate our video. After that, you could upload it to High Level, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, whatever you want to do. So let's go over to our client website first, because we're going to go to the Chat AI and we want it to generate content. Well, what kind of content do we want it to generate? So we know the client's business name here. Let's just skim real quick. It looks like they do consulting for small businesses. So it looks like they do websites, social media, Google Ads, Facebook. So let's go over here and we're going to put write commercial for company named, I can't even spell, see? Located in Dayton, Ohio. We pulled that off the website that offers small business consultation services. Website, let's see, help with websites. Websites, social media, lead generation, and business automation. So let's do this. Let's write long commercial. Heaven forbid we don't get great content there. For the company named the High Level Guru, located in Dayton, Ohio, that offers small business consultation services, help with websites, social media. Let's take one more peek over here. Email marketing management, maybe. I don't think we need to do that. So let's go over here. Let's just see what happens. So we're going to hit our little button here. And let's just see what kind of content we get here on the first rip from the AI. Now this is exciting. Let's just see how long it goes. I mean, how exciting is this? A couple more seconds here. It looks like our content is really nice. You know, my big focus here is how do I give the chat the business name. I want to tell it where it's located. And then I want to give it enough information to let it know what the business does. You know, from there, the AI can pull from the massive database of whatever it's accessing and generate that content. Well, oh, look, it's still going. All right, perfect. So check this out. Let's just copy this bad boy. Let's head over to Pictory. Now we've got a couple different options. We're going to go script to video on this. Now here's what we're going to do is we're going to break this text up based upon the slides we want. So every time I do this, we're basically going to have a different slide, and it's going to be a different 5 to 8 minute scene, 8-second scene. So give me a second here. You guys are going to see what I'm talking about. We're just going to shorten that a little bit. So this is going to be a longer video. You're going to see how fun this is. Just a second here. The reason we're putting all these spaces in here is we want different slides. So this is, we're telling it to break. And you'll see what I'm talking about here as soon as I hit generate. All right, perfect. Look at that. Our content's in there. We're going to make that each a different scene now. We're going to click proceed in here. Now we're going to click, how do we want our text showing up? So do we want it red? Do we want this yellow format where it kind of shifts out? Do we want this nice soft blue, perhaps? So perhaps no right or wrong answer here. You can see there's a ton of different options just for what the text looks like, how you want to caption that video. Let's just go up here with maybe the blue for now. And then let's choose our aspect ratio. So I'm going to do 16:9. We're going to give this a couple seconds here, and what it's doing is it's using the AI to try to generate the storyboard for us. So you're going to notice some of the videos might be remotely close to what we're looking for, but what we're going to do is we're going to go on there to each scene and we're going to swap out the videos for something that is a little bit more targeted to exactly what our customer would want. So let's give this a couple seconds here and let this load. All right, we're back. So you can see this is loaded into a storyboard type format. You can see there's a video behind each scene. There's text on each scene here. So now really what we want to do is we want to figure out, first and foremost, I think the biggest thing we're going to do is we're going to customize these videos. So you can see here, nice try by the AI. It didn't really hit a home run here. Let's just do a search for next level. So on this page, we're trying to kind of summarize or maybe encapsulate. This is kind of our hero image too. So we want to push through here and find something that's going to kind of be a little bit more stunning since it's the first one. Okay, Dayton, Ohio. So these kind of suck. Upgrade. Let's do a search for business consultant. So I like this. Alright, so it looks like a one-stop shop then for business owners. Up here you can see that we can adjust the time. So I'm going to put that at about 9 seconds. When you test your video and play it, that'll be a little bit more obvious how long you want for each slide. With years of experience and a team of experts, we offer a range of services to help you. So I mean, that's okay. You know, the AI didn't do too bad choosing that video. We're going to leave it. Alright, this client is clearly not in the medical services. Let's go with another one of those scenes, but we probably don't want to do too many more of those. Experts, home business. So let's just do a search for maybe, so this is an interesting one. I like these silhouettes. Alright, so kind of quirky. Let's keep them on there. Are you struggling to get your website and social media up and running? So let's see what it's recommending here. This is a pretty cool little video that it recommended. Let's leave that one. Business activity for engaging online presence. Alright, that doesn't seem like an online presence to me, does it? Let's just search for online presence. That didn't really get us what we wanted either. Alright, I like this. Boom, that looks like online presence to me. Alright, so let's see what we got here. Let's go to the next one. Our experts have deep understanding of website design, social media. Yeah, let's see here. Let's try to find something that... I'm try to be quick here for the video. Let's just kind of transition here and generating leads. We're going to change that one. Let's just type in lead generation here and see what this has for options. Let's just see what that one looks like. Alright, boom. So I'm not upset with that. Alright, that looks like people working together. Nice. Business automation services to help you streamline your operations and save money. Alright, I don't know. Nobody's getting paid in cash around here. Let's see if Streamline's in there. Streamlined. Streamline. Streamline, 2 words. Nope. Gotta spell it right. Business automation. Let's just do a search for automation. There's some pretty cool stuff in here, I think. Let's do a search for business automation. Looks more like industrial automation. Do a search for, say, AI. Let's see what comes up. All right, this is kind of where we want to be. Some of these are really slick. All right, so we're going to take that one. Let's keep sticking and moving here while definitely routine tasks. All right, so let's just say that we like what's going on here. You can see we can kind of customize this forever. What we're going to do here now is let's go over and let's get to the next part of the video here. Let's go customize the audio. So these are kind of some options here. Let's go uplifting, inspiring. Let's hit apply. Reborn from ashes. Lame. All right, let's go street life. So the AI voice is going to drown that out. Keep that in mind. So up here, click voiceover. Now you've got your options here for all your different voiceovers. This is a really, really slick. You can see the difference here. So we're going to go ahead with Matthew Mail. We're going to hit apply. Now if we hit this preview button, it's going to take a couple seconds here, but it's going to generate a preview here. So this is a great time to kind of make all your final edits in here. I think if you do the $49 program on here, it's only going to let you make 60 of these a month. So just be careful that you're not hitting save and generate and then doing your final edits with your final version. So let's just have a look here.
Located in Dayton, Ohio, is a one-stop shop for small business owners looking to take their business to the next level. With years of experience,
nice. I'm just kind of skimming through here.
If you're looking.
So now if you're happy with everything, what you're going to do is you're just going to hit generate. So you click generate video, and now it's going to generate your video. So I'm going to pause the video here for a couple minutes. Usually this process could take anywhere from 5 to 10 minutes. Shouldn't take anywhere longer than that. Give us a second here. We'll be back when this generates, and we're going to show you what it looks like. All right, we're back. It seemed like that took forever. Maybe it was about 10 minutes or so. You can see here I can copy the link. I can export the text from there, but we can download it. So we're going to download this to our PC. You can see it just pops right up, and now we've got a nice little video here. Not terrible. So we've got something now that we can deliver to the client or something that we can drop on their social media, whatever the case might be, we've got it. So next thing we might want to do is go over to go high level. So let's go in here now and let's make a funnel real quick, and let's just drop this video into a funnel. So let's just make a test funnel real quick. Give me a second here. Let me just upload this in here and show you what I mean. All right, we made it to the funnel builder here. We have a row. Let's clone this row. Let's go ahead and add a column here, and let's just show you how easy this is to put this video into a funnel. So we click on video right here on the left side. Over here you can see we go from YouTube to hosted video. And then what I'm going to do, all right, now we've uploaded the video in here. So this is going to be our video. We probably want something to caption on the video. So let's just go back maybe to the client website, and let's just take this content right here off their website, and let's just throw it in our funnel since this is already created. So let's just go down here. Let's just add in another column here. Let's add in the smaller text, and let's paste that in here. Boom, boom, boom. Let's go over here and change our font from custom font to like Arial. All right, now that looks better. We would put the client's logo up here. And then, of course, for settings, we would go up here and put a title, you know. So this is something we could use just to push traffic from Facebook now, or whatever the case might be. We would put the client's logo and everything like that over here. Whole idea of this was just to show you how easy this is. Now, as soon as we hit preview, you're going to notice this says it's dead. It takes it a little bit to put the video through on high level. So give it a couple minutes. You're going to be actually surprised how quick it works. But this is going to be an actionable funnel or a website. So you can forward this right to a domain. You could use this right for a Facebook posting now. Or maybe this would be a great situation after somebody filled out a Facebook ad if they came to a landing page. And we could easily expand this landing page now to throw some booking buttons or anything else like that. So that's kind of how easy it is to use the AI to kind of put all this stuff together. You can see here again, the AI is where we generated this content. We came over here to Pictory, and see here if we go back to the main area here, we put script to video. Now there's a bunch of other amazing resources here that we'll cover probably in another video, but right now all we did is use the script to video function, and we just simply pasted in our content and we were able to make that video. So Again, feel free to reach out to me if there's anything like this that I could help you with. If you want me to develop some snapshots or anything like that for you, check us out on the website, highlevelguru.com /GHL support for my specific GHL services. You can always call me on this number and certainly drop me an email here if you need any help with any of this stuff. So there you have it. Use the AI to make amazing videos now, and now you've got a turnkey solution to make marketing videos.